Hey guys, this is me, RSC again. Today we're gonna play Halloween Chainsaw on Masscae. So, I guess we could play, I'm gonna play it now. Okay, I guess we're on this. And I think this is level 1. But, you know, like I did when I showed one, I'm not really gonna film it to do more levels. Yeah, yes, I don't feel like it. Because they might be the same. So anyway, I'm gonna play. Well, actually, I might do a few. I'll think about it. Yeah, I'm gonna do pluck your chisel. Ooh. Jack Skellington. Okay, Jack Skellington's. The Pumpkin King. I need to slaughter you up. Ooh, I'm also. So I'm gonna play, I don't know, 1 or 2. I'm gonna fix it. Remember, not everything is gonna be. Okay, let's just keep slaughtering them all. There's so much pumpkin. So much pumpkins. It's not a lot harder with this. Probably one of them. Oh no. Give me a flower. Yeah, I want some pineapple juice from y'all. Get me some pineapple juice. I want it on my face and in my mouth. Obviously. Okay. Oh my gosh. How can I get this pumpkin so light? Almost all of them are killed. Killed every single one. Oh! I'm gonna bring it damaged. Okay, where is the other? Oh, there's the headless pumpkin. Okay, where are the other ones now? Jax, King Pumpkin, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'll give you a surprise. I have a surprise for you. Oh! I think what does that orange circle mean? Does that mean that he's there? Right? We'll see. Come on, King. Pumpkin King. Where are you, man? Oh! I killed him. Actually. I'm sorry to say this. Peddler pumpkin man. Whoosh. Come on. Come on, get me. Why the hell is he not getting me? Kill me. Oh, shh. Okay, I don't think we can mess about for all. Actually, this is only with his servants. He'll be in a second. Bye bye. Okay. I'm gonna play level 2 actually, because I don't want to make this video too short. Oh shit. Come on. More like skeletons, leave me alone. slaughtered like 9 pumpkins. 10. Hold on. 12. 13. 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm gonna kill everything. Oh, come on. I couldn't do all this at once. Oh man, I can do this. Be a baseball bat. You want to be a baseball bat? Battle face? You think you're going to be a good baseball? Someday? This is no good. This isn't really good. Don't worry, I slaughtered that. Now let's find some more pumpkins. So I have 3 left to kill. Yeah, come out, wherever you are. Come out. Come out wherever you are. Hello. Oh crap. This is not good. This is not gonna go too. This is very hard. Okay, come on. It will not let me through. Okay, come on. There's no sound blocking. I'll never be able to kill him. That's okay, I got him. Oh, one more. There's one more in the woods. There's one last one in the woods. Come on. Slaughter time. Lava goose. Alright, 3rd level. So I might only do 3 levels. Wait, did I not kill him? Let's hope it doesn't take too long. And soon I'll make the king of pumpkins. I don't really care. I'm gonna kill all of them. I'm gonna kill all the pumpkins. Every single one. Every single one. Come on, babe. Okay. Hey! When you was pretty thinking. Alright, 32. So, I guess there's a few more to go. No, security guards. These aren't secure. Okay. Alright, I killed all of them, so I have 4 more to go. Yeah, 4 more to go. I'll tell the headless monster. Who's? Ken? Did I just meet you? No, I will be royal vanilla. Oh my god. I made it. Oh my god. Please stop. I promise I'll be friendly. Well, that's it. Ha! And I guess I killed him. I think I'm gonna do the 4th and final level, and that's it. Remember? I won't let them win. I'm not letting them win. Well, this game's easy anyway. So I can easily kill them. I know I got everyone's... I wonder where I got everyone so back. Okay everyone, it's chain vents. It's the chain vent. I'm never gonna stop until I get my lemons. I want my lemons. I want lemons. Give me some pumpkin. I mean, it's a lemon. Those mixed with lemon. I always forget to like. I'm not letting them win. I'm actually not going to let them win. I mean, I have a lot of damage, but it doesn't really matter. So, that was quick. This was actually too easy. There's a lot more pumpkins to sell and drink. I'm thirsty. I need some lemon, man. No, man. Give me some fucking lemon. Because I love eating fucking lemons. So good. Keep it going. Okay, I got all of them. Yep, I got all of them. I'm done. I'm actually done now. So, hope you enjoyed this. Remember, subscribe, like, turn on notifications, all that. Okay, just until next time. Peace.